What are three main things that home inspectors look for? Do you know what a home inspector looks for when they visit a property? Well, home inspectors will investigate every nook and cranny from the foundation to the roof to find anything that might affect the property's value. Here are the main things that they will check. Number one, roof. Inspectors look for leaks, damaged or missing shingles, moss growth. They also look for any problems with the flashings, gutters, vents, attic ventilation, and skylights, if your home has them. Make sure everything is watertight so that you don't run into any major issues. Number two, structure. The foundation of the home should be solid and be able to stand the test of time. The inspector will usually check for cracks in the foundation or water damage to the siding or supports. And number three, utilities. The HVAC, filtration, plumbing, and electrical systems will all be thoroughly inspected to make sure they are working and have no safety compromises. If they're damaged or faulty, you should find out how much it costs to repair or replace them. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions about today's topic or anything else related to real estate, feel free to reach out anytime. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.